essentially running a line through, like making a dirty line that people can follow before all the others turn up.
So we're out today with young Aussie hard enduro rider Jake Ryan, showing some of the locals around some of the enduro loops at a property near Rankin Springs in New South Wales, running some of the bronze tracks, a few bits and pieces thrown in. Hope you enjoy the video. Get out there, there's light between the trees.
No point having a dog and barking too, mate.
You like to go do a little bit of a harder, smaller loop?
Sorry?
Would you like to go do a little bit of a harder, smaller loop? Yep.
Yeah.
Be keen on that, just like a little one?
Yeah.
It'll be a little bit tougher.
What time are people wanting to go and do this other one? Not for a bit.
We've got about an hour or so, so
Yeah, right.
we'll probably burn up 15, 20. Trace.
Sorry?
Do you want rock wall? So it's a rock face down.
Yeah.
And you just slide down. It's like, yeah, it's all right. Like,
Yeah.
you'd get down if you got up there, all right. You'd get down. But and then there's the hill up to the fire trail. So
Yeah, right.
hill up to the fire trail won't take long, but rock face down might take a bit longer.
You're the guide, mate. You show me.
It'll look cool when you go for it.
It'll look cool with me sliding down ahead of me bike. Getting the guided tour here with Jake. We've gone out and laid some lines down on the tracks, so Jake's showing me some of the delights locally here. All I got to do is remember to breathe. Is that G for Grandad? Remember to breathe, Batesy. Yeah, righto, whatever. Down for a look. Oh yeah. Could definitely end up dead there.
You can either two lines. This one,
Yeah.
where you say you go down there.
Yeah.
And you when you get into the bottom, you sort of got to lift your bike up and then sit it on the back plate on top of there.
Yep.
And that's like sort of more conservative line, I guess. But the problem is you also get more towards the water side of the rock.
Yeah,
face.
true. This is the dry side.
But it is safer, but it's a lot more effort. And
Yep.
then there's just this one where you go straight down. But people always get worried about getting washed underneath those rocks.
Yeah, righto.
But to be honest, I've never seen it happen.
Plenty of grip.
Yeah, there's enough. But you sort of just got to aim yourself in between with
Yeah, straight in the crevice and don't die.
Yeah, pretty much.
And cover the back brake.
Yeah, lock it on and lock it on and just sit back there and then you'll be right. It's not too
Sounds easy.
yeah, it's alright.
Yeah. That's your rock. Righto, let's do this. If I pop a shoulder out or something, you'll have to ring my boss. Close enough. That'll do.
That's it.
Well, we're not dead.
Yeah, that's how you do it. Gotta do something scary every day.
Yeah, that's exactly right. It's a bit like Toy Story, falling with style. Jake's right. Do something every day that's outside your comfort zone, and you know you're alive. Yeah. Well, if you need someone to sweep before you, I'll do that. That's okay.
Yeah, because like maybe even. Yeah, because I think I've got a lead, but I'm the only group who's by myself. So maybe if you could go behind or something.
Yeah, I can sweep
and
at
I'll
the back.
definitely go forward. If when we get to a hard section, I'll stop
Pull up,
and I'll
yeah.
walk them, and then you just come behind them and just keep pushing.
Shoo them up the hill.
You know, and make sure we don't lose anyone. Round them
Yeah.
all up, keep them on track, because you know the basic tracks around there now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Ridden it once.
Yeah.
How hard can it be?
That's it.
No worries.
Oh, you got more of an idea than everyone else, though. So.
Well, that's true. Righto, mate. Great to see young guys like Jake out here helping out. He's enjoying his day as well, but yeah, helping out. It's real good. Good to see. All good. You alright, Phil? You alright, mate?
Oh, you know it
On
again.
sweet.
Yeah. Oh, is this last one?
Yeah.
Righto.
There you go.
I think we're going to go to the Enduro Cross track now.
Okay. YZ85 tacked onto the back of a bunch of 302 strokes. WR 450F. All heading towards the bronze track. Love it. Oh, what two-stroke oil these guys are using, but one of these bikes smells like fish and chips. Making me hungry. Look here. Trouser snake. I'll just sneak past you, mate. I'll go up and give him a hand. Hey?
They're right down there.
Yeah, they'll be up in a minute. Nearly backflipped her into oblivion. Yeah, that's the way. Beautiful. We might, rather than go trying straight up, we might drag the ass up on the ledge there and run from there. Do you think? Yep. Put the goggles on. Yeah, nice. Very nice. Oh. Scotty? Yep. Beautiful. That was a nice run up that first bit.
I think you're going to make the whole way then and show us all up. No, I couldn't do that.
See if you can go straight ahead on that, yeah, straight up the gut rather than to the right. Yep, that'll do. Nice work, mate. Pull her up there. Yeah. Move up a bit, fellas.
What's that, sorry?
Move up a bit further now. Nice work. Full crew up. Yeah, you'll be right by the time you get up there. We should have him cleared. Make a 2-bike pile. Make a 2-bike pile.
Yeah, we'll have to.
ugly, but it's there. No, just all torque. Yeah, it's like a turbo diesel ute. Nicely done. Well, thanks for coming on our adventure out here in the Riverina district in New South Wales. It's been a great day. Everyone survived. I don't think there's been any, well, not on our group anyway, damaged bikes. Touch wood, there's one. I haven't even dropped the bike today yet. A couple of good goes at it. Yeah. Been out and sweeping with these guys and helping them out.